Welcome to the CA Care Association, where our solution begins with you. CA Care Association is a 501c3 organization working with home and community-based care providers to support the industry through education and standardized best practices. We are advocates for safe, affordable, individualized, high-quality California licensed residential care and community-based care services. We are focused on compliance training to help care providers and direct care professionals equipped with tools for dealing with challenging situations while safeguarding the wellness of seniors and adult residents. CCA members are empowered to find solutions for workforce development, affordable residential care housing, right to self-advocate, development of home and community-based services. And at CCA, members always get more. Premium discounts on training and services. Local facility consultation network for compliance. Workforce recruiting job posting board. Monthly and quarterly advertisement of care provider services. Direct link to care provider website. Keep updated on statewide care industry topics and concerns. And special training discounts for HeartSaver First Aid, CPR, and AED training. Training discounts for basic life support. And nonviolent crisis prevention and intervention training discounts. These discounts are exclusively available to members. Sign up today to become a member and gain access to these exclusive offers. Join us also in our upcoming events. Financial Wellness Workshop on October 4 and 18 at 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Caregiving Basics Training. Communication Strategies and Advocacy on October 17 at 6 p.m. Board Monthly Meeting on October 18 at 3 p.m. General Meeting on October 18 at 4 p.m. Adult and Senior Care Program, Residential Care Facilities for the Elderly Provider Stakeholder Committee Meeting on October 23 at 1 p.m. Caregiving Basics Training, Heart Attack and Stroke on October 24 at 6 p.m. And for both job seekers and employers, you can browse CalCareJob for caregiver job openings and post-staffing needs. Get your pen and paper ready, as this webinar will start soon. While waiting, you can visit and follow our social media pages for updates on upcoming events and relevant topics in the care industry. And for your questions and inquiries, you can message us at our official email address or through our website.